The property library allows you to collect all the properties of all the materials that you use in your products in one place, and then apply it to a number of other possible uses, such as creation of material cards and other activities. If you click on the property library, you will see a list of all the properties that you own, and these properties may be published or unpublished. Clicking on the eye will allow you to see the data in detail, along with its certificate and other such details. You can also do a series of actions on your data using the tools bar. So, for example, if you click on a piece of data, you can share it with a colleague. Your colleague gets an email with a data link that gets them directly back to this data that you would like to share. In addition, you can compare data. So it's a very convenient thing to be able to select a couple of pieces of data that you would like to compare and use the compare function, and it will plot all the data up on a single graph for further analysis. You can transfer ownership. If you have data that you no longer wish to own and would like to transfer it to another colleague, you select the data that you would like to have transferred, and then you can press the transfer ownership button and send it off to somebody else, for example, and the data can then go to that person. Additionally, you can do what's called control access. Your data is at present in what's called private and hidden, which means that you can see it and nobody else can see it. You can change this so that everybody in your work group can see it, and you can make it so that it's not hidden but visible. Doing so will make this data now visible to yourself and everybody else in your work group. Please notice that because I did not select the last item, it still remains private and hidden, whereas the others have now become workgroup invisible. These tools, along with a search engine, as your database gets larger, you may need to do more targeted searches. The search engine is very valuable in that case.